Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. It's me, Rhonda, and I love saying things, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really super duper appreciate it because you're the coolest. And enjoy the blue hair while you can because I'm not loving it, so I'm going to go back to purple. So that's something to look forward to. Also, this morning I have the brand new Tarte palette, Maneater. It is gorgeous. It is a perfect fall kind of palette. And I did some swatches. I couldn't swatch all of them on my arm. I just don't have enough room. But I did do some highlights of the swatches. And so let's show the magic swatches. Bam! Starts off real pale, and look at these beautiful golden coppery. Look at that. These are all just like one swatch, like one finger on dry skin with no primer or anything. It's very pigmented and colorful, and I can't wait to do a nice neutral look with this. Like I said, it is a perfect fall palette. It's got rusts, it's got coppers, it's got plums, it's got a beautiful green there. Just lovely. And with this hair color, I have to go more neutral. So it'll look better. Better, better, better. She's a man eater. I couldn't wait to try this palette once I saw it was out. So I got this from Ulta. And I'm using Lust in my crease. And that is super pigmented. It is a great matte. It is blending out fantastically. It goes on like a champ. This is some good quality stuff. I haven't had a Tarte palette in a while. I don't know that they've put out much that I've been interested in till this palette, but that is beautiful. Then I'm going to go into Passion, which is a beautiful kind of caramely brown. And go in the outer corner and into the crease a little bit. It's very pretty. Super pigmented. These mattes are not fooling around. These shimmers are, wait till you see the shimmers. I mean, you saw them on my arm, but wait till you see them on my eyeballs. And I'm going to go into Heartbreaker. That's a beautiful coppery golden color. She's a heartbreaker, a love taker. Don't you mess around with me. I got a little under my eye. That's just gorgeous. It is so easy. And it's a beautiful caramely brown kind of coppery look. And I'm really digging it. I'll be able to do several looks with this palette, but this is the easy one I'm going with this morning. So now it's time for a liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we've got mascara and eyeliner on. And what a beautiful look this is. And I'll need to do something nudie, like Family Jewels from Jeffree Star. It's a little brown nude. That'll look great. I love Jeffree Star's formula. We have a beautiful fall look, and I'm loving it so very much. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. This has been the Maneater palette. Have a lovely one.